What are the best VPNs for Poland in 2018? First off, some information, i.e., pricing, may subject to change without notice at any time. And, below are the best VPNs for Poland in 2018. Number 1, Hide.me VPN. Plans trading from $0.00/MO. No credit card, free forever, 3 VPN locations, best effort bandwidth, 2 GB data transfer, limited protocol support, 1 simultaneous connection. Learn more. Number of VPN servers, N/A. VPN server locations, 35. Hide.me's. Numerous servers throughout the Americas, Europe, and Asia let you access websites securely. VPN IP addresses, N/A. Maximum devices supported, 1 to 5. Learn more. 1. Advanced security. They protect your internet connection by encrypting your data so you can safely surf the web whether you are at home, work, or in public. 2. Absolute privacy. Surf the internet privately while keeping your real IP hidden. Keep your location anonymous and stop your internet service provider from spying on you. 3. Liberty. Avoid annoying censorship and access any website, app, or channel safely. Make your way around government or workplace limitations and enjoy the internet with liberty. 4. Stay fast. They always wanted to build a VPN service that you couldn't feel. That's why they offer gigabit speeds and use cutting-edge hardware and software, some of it custom built by us to do the job. 5. No log VPN. 0. Nada. They're dead serious about this one. They do not store logs of your online activity. Logs can easily link actions back to you, and some VPN providers pass these on to law officials when told to do so. They can't, as they don't have any. Simple. 6. Feel the simplicity. Unlike other VPN providers, you don't need to be a rocket scientist to get started with Hide.me. Use one of the helpful guides to set up your device and get protected in a few minutes. Hit https://hide.me/question_friend=5940eb01cfb1 to get yourself started with Hide.me VPN. Number 2, CyberGhost VPN, $3.50 per month. Our score, 7.8. Pros, keeps no usage logs, very fast VPN connection, 5 simultaneous connections, 30-day money-back refund. 77% off 3-year plans. Keeps no usage logs, very fast, 5 simultaneous connections, 30-day money-back refund. Cons, keeps some connection logs. Detailed specifications for CyberGhost VPN. 1. Hide your IP. Your original IP address will be replaced with one from the CyberGhost network, making it impossible for third parties to track you online. 2. Access restricted websites. No more censored or geo-restricted content. By connecting to the secure CyberGhost servers, you gain access to content from all over the world. 3. Safe online transactions. With CyberGhost VPN, nobody will be able to pry into your personal conversations, browsing history, or online transactions, even on public Wi-Fi's. 4. Block malicious content. When you try to access a website, CyberGhost will make sure it's safe for you, by running a thorough check on that URL in a dedicated database. 5. Fully encrypted internet. Your online activity will be encrypted with the 256 AES-bit technology. Thus, it may take someone thousands of years to hack into your data. 6. Protect all your devices. Get simultaneous top-class protection on up to 5 devices with a German-made software, available on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android platforms. 7. All CyberGhost VPN plans include 1. Smart, automatic kill switch, highest possible speed, unlimited bandwidth and traffic, access to over 1,000 servers worldwide. 2. Service, simultaneous connections on up to 5 devices, apps for Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Linux, routers, friendly support, chat or email, 30-day money-back guarantee. 3. Privacy, DNS and IP leak protection, strict no-logs policy, 256-bit AES encryption, OpenVPN, L2TP IPsec, and PPTP protocols. Get CyberGhost VPN and enjoy online browsing without fear of hackers, mass surveillance and online behavior tracking. Hit https://store.cyberghostVPN.com/848/?affiliate =42761 scope checkout cart =163133 to get yourself started with CyberGhost VPN. Number 3, ExpressVPN, $6.67/MO, 15 months includes 3 free months special deal. Pros, VPN servers in 94 countries, excellent encryption, doesn't keep usage logs, blazing fast VPN speeds, 24/7 customer support. Cons, pricier than most other competitors. Learn more. 1. Secure and anonymous. ExpressVPN is truly fanatical about your privacy and security. Avoid using powerful encryption. ExpressVPN protects yourself from hacking and surveillance with 256-bit AES encryption, DNS/IPv6 leak protection, kill switch, and split tunneling. 2. 24/7 customer service. You can get help in seconds, not days. Ask anything through live chat support. 3. Blazing fast VPN speeds. Huge network of 1700 plus global VPN servers optimized for fast connections. Unlimited bandwidth, no throttling. 4. No restrictions. Stream or download anything, from any of our servers, anywhere on Earth, with your IP address hidden from prying eyes. 5. Offshore privacy protection. Based in the British Virgin Islands, a tropical oasis without data retention laws. No activity logs. No connection logs. 6. 30-day money-back guarantee. Give ExpressVPN a test drive. All plans are fully refundable, no questions asked. Hit https://www.linkv.com/?8 == to get yourself started with ExpressVPN. Number 4, Buffered VPN, $8.25/mo. Detailed specifications for Buffered VPN, number of VPN servers, n/a VPN server locations, 46, at the time of commenting. VPN IP addresses, n/a. Maximum devices supported, 5 additionally. 1. Watch from anywhere. Access the content you want from any country on Earth. Bypass online censorship and access foreign websites like a local. 2. Protect your privacy. Surf privately while protecting your personal information. Keep your location a secret and stop your internet service provider from spying on you. 3. Bye-bye hackers. Enjoy total security, even on public Wi-Fi connections. Keep your passwords and credit card details safe from spying eyes. 4. Unblock content. Avoid annoying censorship and access any website or app. Bypass government or workplace censorship of sites like Facebook, Gmail, and YouTube. Moreover, here's what you get by subscribing to Buffered, 30-day hassle-free money-back guarantee. World-class support system available to you at any time. Unlimited speed, bandwidth, and server switching. No logging of your online activities. Native, easy-to-install client for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Hit https://buffered.com/#8 to get yourself started with Buffered VPN. Number 5, Private VPN, $3.88/mo, $50.40 build. Why Private VPN? Be sure to get the best private VPN for streaming, privacy and security. Private VPN delivers security, speed, and competitive pricing. 1. Security, strong encryption for secure VPN service. The most secure VPN connections, Private VPN keeps your IP address, your location, your internet activity and your personal communication private to protect your identity. No one can monitor your online activity or gain access to your data and personal information. Private VPN provides great security tools to maximize our users' privacy. All their VPN servers utilize military-grade AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, 256-bit encryption code with 2048-bit DH key to ensure that your internet connection is always secured, and we do this without slowing your speed or interrupting your connection. Secure encryption. At Private VPN, they use protocols that provide strong VPN encryption between their VPN servers and your device. Encryption protects the digital data stored on your devices or transmitted via the internet, keeping your data private from ISPs, surveillance, cyber hackers, and other third parties. How does it work? Encryption converts electronic data into ciphertext, which is unreadable without the correct key to transform it back into plain text. Only authorized parties have access to this key. AES 256 means that if someone wants access to your data, he or she would have to try an astounding number of distinct combinations 2 to the 256th power, as a matter of fact, to successfully hack into your files. Private VPN provides all our users with this high level of security, the same security employed by the US government and military. Whether you're an internet or social user, a gamer, a student, a world traveler, or simply a citizen seeking to secure your data and identity from prying eyes, you need the secure connection that Private VPN provides. Privacy protection in public. Did you know that public Wi-Fi is not at all secure? With Private VPN, you're protected even when connecting to the internet via public Wi-Fi hotspots. If you're on the road, at the airport, in your local library, enjoying a latte in your favorite coffee shop, or checking your email at the mall, rest assured that Private VPN is on the job. Let us help you prevent eavesdropping, data snooping, and information theft in public Wi-Fi hotspots. Private VPN secures your connection by creating security layers over all our tunneled connections, preventing access to your data not only from unscrupulous people sitting around you, but also from any criminal on the internet. Even if someone does access your data when you're using a public connection, our encryption prevents him or her from being able to decipher your data. All he or she sees is gibberish. 2. Speed, engineered for fast VPN service. Lower latency and higher speed. Private VPN, one of the fastest VPN service providers, designed its global network to offer our users the fastest VPN speeds possible. Whether you're in North America, Europe, or Asia, we strive to provide ultra-high-speed server connections with lower latency and higher speeds for all your devices. Everyone wants a fast internet connection so they can enjoy downloading, uploading, and streaming at speeds never before thought possible. What is latency? Latency, measured in milliseconds, is the time it takes for a packet of data to get from your computer, smartphone, or tablet to your VPN server location. A server that is located farther from your actual location will generally have a higher latency than those located nearby. For a faster internet connection, you want a lower latency. What is download speed? This factor is measured in kilobits per second, kbps. As you might expect, a higher download speed or rate of data transfer means a superior connection. The higher the speed, the better the quality of your streaming video and audio. HQN for high speed. HQN stands for high quality network. High quality network is the internet capacity we purchase directly from the IP transit provider. Many VPN providers purchase internet capacity from a hosting company, and we do this, too, to some degree, and, in turn, purchase internet capacity from a larger IP transit provider. This often results in higher latency, multiple routing hops, and in some cases, lowered speeds. At PrivateVPN, they aim to purchase internet capacity directly from the IP transit provider, meaning that we skip intermediaries in the form of hosting companies, allowing them to offer the best quality to their customers. 3. Protocols, connect with PrivateVPN. About VPN protocols. What are VPN protocols? Simply put, protocols provide a way for your device to connect to a VPN server. PrivateVPN supports a number of protocols. If you use a VPN app, set it to automatically select the VPN protocol that best suits your network. If you are not using an app or you don't like the connection, then try the following protocols in this order. OpenVPN with UDP/TCP. OpenVPN is your first choice. OpenVPN permits various kinds of authentication methods and utilizes a secure SSL/TLS protocol for key exchange. OpenVPN provides faster access speeds than L2TP, but it is not supported on all devices. OpenVPN over TCP, or Transmission Control Protocol, is the most reliable VPN connection type. Using error correction, this connection prevents website failure and incomplete downloads by automatically retransmitting information packets during data transfer. OpenVPN over UDP, or User Datagram Protocol, is usually faster than TCP. Feature. Web technologies that depend on real-time interaction, such as online gaming, work better without the interruptions caused by data retransmission. L2TP/IPsec, when used in combination, L2TP and IPsec offer greater security than PPTP, but these protocols are slower than OpenVPN and can be blocked by firewalls on occasion. L2TP, or Layer 2 Tunneling Protocol, was developed as an upgrade to L2F, Layer 2 Forwarding Protocol, and PPTP, Point-to-Point Tunneling Protocol. By itself, L2TP does not offer very strong authentication or encryption, which is why it is used together with the IPsec protocol. L2TP is ideal for use with mobile devices that are not compatible with OpenVPN. IPsec, or Internet Protocol Security, authenticates and encrypts each IP information packet in a communication, offering a high level of end-to-end security. IPsec offers protection for all application traffic over an IP network and is available for most mobile devices. PPTP, or Point-to-Point Tunneling Protocol, one of the oldest protocols used today, works well with dated operating systems and mobile devices. This protocol is easy to set up and offers fast speeds. Because PPTP is susceptible to some security issues, it is recommended only for low-risk browsing, such as streaming video or audio. IKF2, or Internet Key Exchange version 2, is available on newer mobile devices. Internet Key Exchange is a more secure version of the IPsec protocol. This VPN security protocol executes mutual authentication between two parties, allowing your devices to switch seamlessly between cell and Wi-Fi networks without interrupting the connection. 4. Apps. VPN is not just for computers. They offer intuitive, user-friendly VPN apps for various computer and cell phone systems. PrivateVPN is compatible with all commonly used operating systems. Windows, for Windows 7, 8, 8.1, and 10. Mac, for Mac OS X iOS VPN, for iPhone and iPad iOS version 9.0 or later. Android, for Android 4.0 or later. 4. Unblock websites. Access any website or app without censorship. How to use a VPN to unblock websites. Why are you unable to access certain websites at certain times or from certain locations? Some workplaces restrict network access to employees to minimize distractions. Schools often block access to keep potentially questionable material from students. Some countries completely ban sites they deem politically sensitive, and they monitor your online activity as well. Is there anything you can do about this? Yes. PrivateVPN, the best VPN to unblock websites, offers access to all sites, no matter what your location. Servers use your IP address to determine your approximate location, giving you, or denying you, access to some websites. So how do you avoid censorship filters? VPN offers an alternate route around content filters by allowing you to choose any remote server from the provider's network. Your real IP address is hidden so you can bypass content restrictions and remain anonymous at the same time. Download a VPN app to unblock websites, including news websites without restrictions, social media like Facebook and Twitter, essential websites such as Google, Wikipedia, and more. Get unlimited access to your favorite sites from anywhere. When you route your internet traffic through a private VPN encrypted tunnel, your data cannot be seen or censored. Our service lets you surf the net securely with a new, anonymous IP address, giving you access to any website you want, even if it is censored in your country. Choose one of the private VPN service plans, download an app and start unblocking your favorite websites today. Simply figure out which country allows access to the content you want, open the private VPN app on your device, select a server in that country, and connect. Now you're ready to enjoy your favorite videos, apps, and websites from wherever you are. Hit https://affiliate.privatevpn.com/script/click.php?8 $5 to get yourself started with PrivateVPN. Number 6, VYPR VPN, $5.00/mo. Number of VPN servers, 700 plus. VPN server locations, 70 plus. VPN IP addresses, 200,000 plus. Maximum devices supported, 3 to 5. VYPR VPN offers fast, Easy to use apps for Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, TV, and router so you can secure your devices in seconds. Additionally, 1. Fast VPN speeds. VYPR VPN offers the highest level of speed and security. VYPR VPN network engineers build and manage their global VPN network to provide the fastest speeds for users across the globe. 2. No third parties. Unlike VYPR VPN's competitors who use third parties, VYPR VPN owns and manage 100% of their hardware, software, and network so your privacy is protected from end to end. 3. Unrestricted Internet experience. VYPR VPN's Chameleon trademark technology defeats VPN blocking and throttling worldwide, offering a free and open Internet experience from restricted locations such as China. Hit https://www.goldenfrog.com/VYPRVPN /referral offer _ID =$129 &F _ID =$2777 to get yourself started with VYPR VPN. Number 7, IPVanish. Pros, great value for your money, P2P, yes, no logs kept at all, superb connection speeds. Cons, based in the US. Detailed specifications for IPVanish VPN. 1. Protect your privacy from network snooping. Imagine a list detailing every website, app, and interaction you have online. You wouldn't want your closest friends to have this data, but third parties already do. Broadband providers and government agencies document your every move on the web for their personal gain. Use IPVanish to reclaim your online privacy and protect it from third-party snooping. 2. Bypass censorship from regional restrictions. Web filters, social media blackouts, and information targeting have become all too common around the world. When domains and online services are made inaccessible, IPVanish enables you to circumvent their locally imposed censors. 3. Defend your devices from interference. Many will focus on protecting the outside of their devices, but the interior exploits leave you most at risk. With DNS hijacking and networking snooping, there are plenty of bad actors who can get between your device and the internet. Use IPVanish to defend your devices from interference at the network level. Here at IPVanish, they believe you shouldn't have to sacrifice the privacy of one device for another. That's why every IPVanish account is equipped to secure up to 5 connections at the same time. And between our automatic apps and VPN routers, you'll be able to protect every internet-enabled device you own. Their mission is to provide anyone who wants it with access to a safe and private internet connection. We are the only VPN service that exerts full control over its entire infrastructure. There are no third parties here. From network architecture and customer support, to our physical hardware and software development, every part of IPVanish is owned and operated by us at IPVanish. This independent style of operation enables us to maintain a seamless zero-logging policy. No VPN service can provide that level of security when they reborrowing network components. 4. Take 72% off the most powerful privacy plan. At the time of commenting, zero traffic logs, user-friendly apps for all of your devices, access to the world's fastest VPN, VPN servers in 60+ countries, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited P2P traffic, OpenVPN, PPTP, and L2TP/IPsec VPN protocols, 5 simultaneous connections on multiple devices, 24/7 customer support and 7-day money-back guarantee. Hit https://www.ipvanish.com/?8=$8 to get yourself started with IPVanish VPN. Number 8, NordVPN. Pros, based in Panama, 6 simultaneous VPN connections, VPN servers in 61+ countries, P2P, yes. Learn more. 1. Safe Wi-Fi. Check your account balance, shop online and use social media at public hotspots with Nord's secure and reliable VPN service. Just click and you're in. Whatever you do on the internet, NordVPN encryption shields you from anyone accessing your online data, be it cybercriminals, snoopers, or aspiring teenage hackers. 2. Online freedom. Censored and throttled internet feels like running into a brick wall on every street. Just hop on NordVPN and enjoy global connectivity along with secure access to social networks, messaging apps, news platforms, and media content. With NordVPN, experience true online freedom with no censorship. 3. Uncompromised privacy. Tired of surfing the web with someone constantly looking over your shoulder? NordVPN offers a private path through the internet. All your traffic is protected every step of the way using military-grade encryption that even a supercomputer can crack. With NordVPN, your online activity is truly private, just as it should be. 4. Double data encryption. Nord's double VPN technology encrypts data not once, but twice. It's the tightest security in the industry that will ensure your peace of mind. 5. Superfast servers everywhere. Join the NordVPN network of 2,645 worldwide server locations in 56 different countries. We cover every continent except Antarctica. But only because penguins just don't get the internet. 6. Easiest VPN ever. Download, install, and start protecting your online activity with just a few clicks. Just tap on Quick Connect button or choose the country you like and NordVPN will take care of the rest. 7. Strict no logs policy and onion over VPN. NordVPN never logs what you do and where you go on the internet. So if anyone asks, the best we can do is shrug our shoulders. And we like it that way. 8. Lightning speed. You know how the world looks when you're riding in an F1 racer? Yeah, neither do we. But we bet it's a lot like browsing the web with NordVPN. 9. Automatic kill switch. If your VPN connection drops out, our kill switch technology instantly shuts down any site or software you specify in advance. No worries about accidental exposure of sensitive data. Hit http://nordvpn.com/app_c?offer_id=15 $15 to get yourself started with NordVPN. Number 9, PureVPN. PureVPN operates a self-managed VPN network that currently stands at 750 plus servers in 140 plus countries. But is this enough to ensure complete security? That's why PureVPN has launched advanced features to add proactive, preventive and complete security. There are no third parties involved and no logs of your activities. Start of an amazing journey. PureVPN is all about helping users for online streaming, downloading and browsing, and avoiding hackers, ISPs monitoring, and geotagging by third parties. A greater experience. They are always making exciting additions on board so you can enjoy a pleasant experience online. Our self-engineered VPN network ensures the highest level of security and speed. Basic features. 1. Easy-to-use apps. You get smart, super user-friendly apps, with everything just a click away. 2. 750 servers in 140 plus countries. PureVPN has servers in 140 plus countries to connect you to your favorite content. 3. Access all servers. You get to access every server regardless of the package plan you choose. 4. Unlimited bandwidth. Download, browse, or stream, you remain worry-free since there are no data limits. 5. Split tunneling. You can choose which data to send through VPN and which to send through your ISP. 6. 24-hour live chat support. Day or night, rain or shine, PureVPN's friendly support representatives are always there live. 7. 5 multi-logins per household. PureVPN cares for its family of users. Every PureVPN account supports 5 multi-logins to make sure that your entire family remains protected. Internet security. 1. 256-bit encryption. PureVPN employs top-of-the-line military-grade 256-bit encryption to protect your data. 2. Enterprise-grade security. This unique security add-on offers proactive protection of your device, data and identity 24/7. 3. Multiple security protocols. PureVPN offers latest security and connectivity protocols including OpenVPN, L2TP/IPsec, PPTP, SSTP, and IKF2. 4. Internet kill switch. PureVPN's Internet kill switch is a fail-safe button to ensure your privacy remains intact at all times. 5. Dedicated IP. PureVPN offers dedicated IP add-on for people who want complete control over their online reputation. 6. DDoS protection. PureVPN's DDoS protection add-on is capable of defeating the most complex DDoS attacks for ultimate protection. 7. NAT Firewall. PureVPN's NAT Firewall add-on provides an added layer of security to stop hackers from exploiting loopholes. Internet privacy. 1. IP address masking. Keep your real IP safely hidden while you browse the internet with complete privacy. 2. Anonymous browsing. You remain completely anonymous by getting an anonymous IP from the region of your choice. 3. DNS leak protection. Get impenetrable security for your data and devices, and stop DNS leaks with PureVPN's unique features. 4. IPv6 leak protection. Fearing an IPv6 leak? Fret not because PureVPN offers IPv6 leak protection with all its apps. 5. WebRTC leak protection. Protect and stop your real IP from leaking on websites via the WebRTC leak protection feature. 6. Ad blocking. The built-in ad blocking feature blocks ads from taking up screen space and stops extra consumption of bandwidth. Internet freedom. 1. P2P enabled. You get a P2P enabled service with dedicated and highly optimized servers for P2P. 2. Access any website. Say goodbye to restrictions forever. Get access to unrestricted internet with PureVPN. 3. Dedicated streaming servers. You will be delighted to know that PureVPN has optimized servers dedicated for streaming only. 4. P2P protection. Get the most secure file sharing and P2P experience with the secure P2P feature. 5. Ultra-fast speed. All the servers in our network support 1 Gb connection speed for an ultra-fast connection. 6. Defeat ISP throttling. You get unlimited server switching to anonymize you so your ISP is unable to throttle your internet speed. PureVPN works on all your devices. 1. Desktop applications. Their desktop apps for Windows and Mac offer cutting-edge features for seamless connectivity. 2. Mobile applications. Their smart apps for Android and iOS guarantee protection of your data all the time. 3. Browser extensions. Their Firefox and Chrome extensions offer a simplified functionality of PureVPN. 4. Router. Their dedicated applet for routers takes the hassle out of configuring PureVPN on your router. 5. TV and devices. They have a dedicated app for smart TV so you can have all the internet freedom on your TV. 6. Gaming consoles. Their service offers a more immersive gaming experience with reduced lag and ping times. Hit https://billing.purevpn.com/app.php?aff=23180 to get yourself started with PureVPN. Number 10, LEVPN, $4.95/mo. Online medias. With LEVPN, you can bypass restrictions and watch your favorite TV shows wherever you are. LEVPN allows you to change your IP address to an IP of one of 114 different countries offered. That means you can be in France and watch American TV online, listen to Pandora, or watch digital content on YouTube or other similar services. LEVPN's Smart DNS service, which is included in our premium plans, allows you to enjoy your favorite online media content, whether a live sporting event, movie, or a new TV series at ultra-fast speeds. You can view this fast streaming content on whichever device you prefer, including your mobile, game console and smart TV. So go ahead, start enjoying your favorite online media and television from anywhere in the world with LEVPN today. Anonymity and privacy. LEVPN helps you to remain anonymous and protects your internet privacy. With LEVPN, you can hide behind numerous IPs based in 114 different countries and enjoy private browsing. With an anonymous IP, your real IP will be replaced with our server's IP address, making it almost impossible to detect your real IP, geolocation, internet service provider and other private information. Moreover, our advanced security techniques with government-level encryption will protect your internet connection from prying eyes. No one will be able to listen to or control your internet traffic, no matter what type of connection you are using and what you are doing, online poker, gaming, streaming, browsing, using Skype, P2P, etc. Join LEVPN right now and increase your online privacy. Advanced security. Every time you connect to internet, 3G and open Wi-Fi sources, you are running the serious risk of compromising your connection, being hacked or listened to, especially if you love online shopping. Such cases are more and more numerous, as open Wi-Fi sources are becoming more available and tempting. Using LEVPN is a great way to connect with total security and a calm mind from anywhere you wish, even from a public hotspot. LEVPN offers 3 types of security protocols: OpenVPN, PPTP, and L2TP. In addition, LEVPN protects the client's connection with X.509 certificates, for OpenVPN authentication, an AES-256 algorithm, encrypting all traffic to top-secret level security standards, the same as used by US government. Secure your internet connection with a military-strong VPN tunnel. Subscribe to LEVPN. Virtual geolocation. LEVPN hides your real IP address and changes your geolocation information as you wish. With just one click you can change your IP address to the one in any of 114 available countries, from US and Latin America to Japan, China, Singapore, or Australia. By connecting to one of our VPN servers you can make everyone believe that you are based in the country of your choice. This feature is especially interesting for those based in countries with strict internet censorship, as LEVPN allows clients to unblock Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Google and other social media websites which are often blocked in those countries. By using an IP address of a censorship-free country such as UK, Canada, or France, you can bypass all of the censorship limitations of your country and enjoy your internet freedom for a few dollars per month. Hit https://www.le-vpn.com/client/app.php?app =$629 page =English to get yourself started with LEVPN.